guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming to hang out with me. Today you're in my bathroom because I'm doing something with this hair. You can't see on camera, but I have so many gray hairs. Can you see that? Anyway, I have so many gray hairs and I haven't dyed my hair in literal years. So this is pretty much my natural hair color, but I want to do something different. I want to try and lighten the ends. I got this Color Sensation Rich Long Lasting Garnier Extra Light, and for my roots in the top I got this. I feel like it's pretty close to my natural color. I just want to get rid of the grays. That's all. It breaks my heart. It hurts my heart to know that I have so many gray hairs, but I've never done 2 different dye jobs at a time, if you know what I mean. So I thought that I would show you how I do it in case it works out. You can follow along at home. I am not a professional by any means, but I am cheap, and I feel like there's a blonde piece right there. Is this piece more blonde? I used to have it like, I did it a few years ago, like probably like 4 years ago. Maybe not, maybe like 3. I tried to lighten it, and that's what's right at the ends right now, like this right here. So I'm just gonna try to do like a balayage type thing, but first I need to get into my hair dyeing shirt. We all have one. Okay, really my only trick that I have, Alexa, pause! The only trick that I have is petroleum jelly. I like to put that around my face, my ears, so I don't get any stains. Got some hair clips and a hairbrush. And I'm not going to talk too much. I'm gonna like fast forward, and you know how to dye hair, and you know how it goes. But we're gonna see if this works. So let's get into it. Alexa, resume.
Standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down. Faces swirling past me, all my memories rolling vastly, cold, lost beneath the ground. All done by my own hand, I allow my feelings to become sand. If you're gonna cut me down, better do it quickly now. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again. Oh yeah, my roots are strong. This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather. Cold, wet, and all around. Toxic people being severed, like leaves falling in September. Cold, wet, and on the ground. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long.
set a timer for 25 minutes.
25 minutes, starting now.
No one but we.
If you let me walk away.
So I've had this in my hair for probably almost an hour now, and I think this is as light as it's gonna get. And it looks a little bit lighter. Nothing like the box said it would be, so I'm gonna rinse this out now because I'm tired of having it in my head. So I'm just gonna set you up and rinse it out in the shower. I'm back! It's been a while later. I've changed my shirt and I'm freaking cold, so I'm taking this hair out. Oh! Look, it's definitely lighter in some spots. Ooh, I'm just gonna brush it right now, and then I'll probably come back in the morning after it's dry, or later tonight if it's dry. My hair oil. Your hair always feels so soft after you dye it. It's like the softest. I'm so cold. Mark Anthony stuff. I love the smell of this stuff. I feel like it too has helped my hair grow because I just cut my hair probably like a couple months ago, and I feel like it's already super long. So that will probably be something that I keep repurchasing. But yeah, that's all for right now. I'll come back either tonight or tomorrow after it's dry. Okay, so it's not all the way dry, but it's a bit drier. And it's a bit lighter. It doesn't look the same on camera as it does in real life. But I don't know, it's not what I was going for. Maybe in a week or so I'll do another, like, lighter. The top looks good. I like the color of the top. No more grays. I don't know. Anytime I try to make my hair go lighter, it never works out. I have never been to a salon to like get it done. It just, like, this piece is light. I don't know. I'm scared that I'm just gonna mess it up if I like try to do it again. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. We'll see what Matt says. Hey guys, it's the next morning and my hair is completely dry, and I wanted to show you it. You can definitely see that it's lighter at the ends. I actually really like it. I think I might keep it like this for a little while and then do a little bit lighter to make more of a difference. But let me take you to some natural lighting because this lighting isn't the best. Okay, here I am in the kitchen. Hopefully this is better. But you can see that it's now lighter. I'll do like a before and after like comparison picture so you can see. But I really like it. I mean, the top is maybe not as dark as I wanted it. I don't know. But yeah, now you can see it's like a lighter brown. Okay. Now if I will upload this video before I do like another go of the blonde, or yeah, that's probably what I'll do. I'll just have it be my whole like transform journey. So anyways, I'll see you for another blonde job. Okay, so I washed my hair and I dried it, and now it's orange. And part of me just wants to like do one more, but part of me wants to just like go back to brown. Like, I'm not meant to have blonde hair. Like, my hair is orange. It's orange. So my hair is orange. Like, should I do another round of blonde, or should I not even try to mess with it? Like, this video is a fail. Don't try to go blonde at home. It's not gonna work. I don't know. Is it orange? Like, part of me thinks it's not orange, but part of me thinks it is. Like, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna look good with blonde hair. I think we're gonna go to the store tomorrow and get some brown hair dye and just pretend like this never happened. Okay, that's all. Don't go blonde at home. Okay, bye. Okay, so I wasn't even recording, but I'm not even going to risk trying to do this again, another blonde, so I'm giving up. I'm giving up, folks. Going back to dark brown, because, I mean, I haven't been dark brown for a while, so it'll still be different, but I just don't think I was meant to have blonde hair, which, whatever, this video has basically been pointless. I guess the moral of the story is, don't try to go blonde at home on your own, because it's just not going to work out. It's just not. And our air conditioning isn't working right now. I'm sweating. It's 77 degrees in our apartment right now. So, I'm going to put this brown in, and I'll show you what it looks like after. It's just going to be brown, but that's going to be better than orange. So, let's just do it, okay? Hey guys, it's the next morning. Here's my hair now. I don't know if it's much darker than what it was before. I'll have to do another like side by side, but some of the blonde, like, it did stay kind of light down towards the bottom. So I don't know, guys. This has just been all one big mess. Yeah. I think I'm going to end this video here, though. Like, see, some of these pieces at the end are still, like, really light. So, I think I'm going to leave it like this for a while because I do like it. And then, maybe in a while, I'll do another set of brown. But I told Matthew, I was like, don't let me do this again. Don't let me try to go blonde again. So, sorry if you found this video pointless. It kind of was, but hopefully some of you found it entertaining and learn from my mistakes. Go to a hairdresser to get your hair from dark to blonde. Anyways, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!